Diet is incredibly important for kidney disease patients. What you eat can cause, prevent, or even help alleviate pain and symptoms. Dietitians can help determine a diet that is specific to each patient, but there are a few foods that are packed with nutrition, low in potassium, taste great, and are fabulous for everyone. So, if you want to make a difference for yourself, or for someone you love who is struggling with kidney disease, go ahead and cook them a great meal. Lend a listening ear when they need to talk, or even donate your car for charity. You'll be helping them to feel better. Number 1. Egg whites. As a low potassium source of protein, egg whites are the perfect option for kidney patients looking for a way to still get in an omelet, or a deviled egg occasionally. Number 2. Garlic. When your diet is limited for health reasons, spices are one of your best friends. Garlic is a tasty as well as nutritious addition to your menu, with anti-inflammatory properties as well as the ability to lower your cholesterol. Number 3. Fish. High in omega-3 fatty acids, fish are an excellent source of protein that also boosts your heart health. Number 4. Red grapes. The red pigmentation in grapes comes from a substance called flavonoids. These flavonoids help to reduce the risk of blood clots. Grapes can be frozen and eaten as a thirst-quenching measure for patients on a liquid-restricted diet. Number 5. Olive oil. Naturally rich in oleic acid and polyphenols, both anti-inflammatory, extra virgin olive oil has long been considered a healthy food. Number 6. Strawberries. Low in potassium and high in vitamin C, manganese, and fiber, strawberries don't just taste good, they really are good. This natural candy feels like a treat when your diet is restricted for health reasons. Number 7. Cabbage. With abundant phytochemicals, this cruciferous vegetable is filling and nutritious. Good in soups, salads, or even alone with just salt and pepper. Number 8. Red peppers. Also low in potassium but high in flavor. Including red peppers in your recipes can add flavor and nutrition. Number 9. Cauliflower. High in vitamin C, folate and fiber, cauliflower helps your body fight off toxins. Raw, steamed, or in soups, this superfood tastes delicious. Steam and mash for a kidney-friendly alternative to mashed potatoes. Number 10. Blueberries. Low in potassium and high in antioxidants, these sweet berries work as an anti-inflammatory food that just happens to taste delightful. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.